Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if your domain is managed by Cloudflare and you want to connect it to your Lovable website, this guide will show you the safe and correct step or setup for 2026. Most failures happen because Cloudflare's proxy, SSL mode conflicts or DNS misconfiguration. So we will handle all of that cleanly. Okay, so in this step-by-step guide, I will show you how to connect Lovable to Cloudflare in 2026 like a pro. So there are some common Cloudflare plus Lovable issues like domain stuck on not connected, SSL stuck on pending, blank page after publish, redirect loop. Okay, it works on Lovable subdomain but not custom domain, www works but root domain doesn't, or vice versa. Okay, so the first thing you can do is add your domain inside Lovable. So before touching Cloudflare, add the domain in Lovable. Okay, so go to project, then go to domain, click add custom domain, enter your domain like your brand.com, and then save. So Lovable will display the exact DNS records you must add in Cloudflare. Keep this page open. So choose one primary version. Okay, the other version will be redirect, so decide your primary domain version. Open Cloudflare DNS settings. Okay, log in to Cloudflare, select your domain, go to DNS records. Okay, you will edit DNS records here. Okay, so remove conflict DNS records, so delete all a record pointing elsewhere, remove extra CNAME records. Okay, remove forwarding or parking records. So rule one host equals one record. So thank you guys for watching this video and see you guys in the next tutorial.